How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see the home page of Snapchat. Once you are logged in, you have to tap on your profile in the left upper corner. And from over here, you will be able to see the story that you have shared on your account. So in order to see your Snapchat story, you have to tap on your story, and there is a views option in the bottom left corner. So you have to simply tap on that, and from over here you'll be able to see the list of people who have viewed your Snapchat story. So by following this simple step, you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.